Log in and use Accoletics Math Club. So far this year, we've been completing the scrimmages here using this tile just labeled Accoletics, but now we're going to take a look at this tile. I know that we've talked about it before. Some of you may have used it, but when we click here, we are going to scroll down and we're going to click this booklet right here, the pre-post assessment. So these are the questions that you completed from the scrimmage, and you will notice that you have, it looks like, practice and videos for all 50 questions. So right now mine are highlighted blue. On your screen, you should have questions that you got correct that appear in red, and then in green, and questions you got incorrect will appear in red. So what we want to do is find those questions that we got incorrect or red on this screen, and we want to click. Now, please note you see that there's format 1 and format 2. These videos are the exact same, it's just a different format depending on your computer. So everyone should be able to access these without any trouble. So for example, let's say I got number 25 incorrect on the scrimmage and this was like highlighted red. I'm going to click right here where it says video 25. And I can see that the question from the scrimmage is going to be explained right here in this video. So I'm going to watch this video.
Ms. Russo's class performed a science experiment. The line plot below shows how many grams of solid was formed by a reaction for each lab 1/4. To make this denominator of 4, I need
this entire problem from start to finish. After that, I am going to click out of this video and then go into the practice for number 25. So these are going to be problems very similar to the one that I just watched in the video. And you have to get 5 questions correct. So let's say I do this problem. Miss Anderson's class performed a science experiment. The line plot below shows how many grams of solid was formed by a reaction for each lab group. What is the difference between the greatest amount and the least amount reported? Mark all that apply. Well, it looks like the greatest amount is 1 1/4, and then the smallest amount is 3/4. So if I set that up as a subtraction problem and I take 1 1/4 and subtract 3/4, I know that I'm going to have to regroup with this 1 1/4 because I can't take 3/4 away from 1/4. So I am going to borrow. Now I have 5/4 minus 3/4, which leaves me with the fraction 2/4. So C is the correct answer. And if I click submit, uh-oh, what did I do wrong? You selected C and the answers are B and C. So I guess that I didn't pay attention because it did say mark all that apply, and I know that 2/4 is also equivalent to 1/2, so I missed one of those answers. So I have 0 out of 1. I'm going to click continue practicing. So I have to get 5 questions correct in order for that question right here, practice 25, to now go from red to green. So what I would like for you guys to do as you finish your math each day this week, I would like for you to log into the Math Club and work for about 20 minutes. So I would set a timer and I would go in and I would find which questions I got marked red or incorrect on the scrimmage. I would watch first the video and then do the practice problems. Your goal is to change all of these red problems to green. We'll talk about this a little bit more in our morning meetings, but just as a reminder, our goal is 20 minutes each day.